So I'm going to walk you through how to create a custom template in Shopify using the new Shopify 2.0. So if we go basically up here, what we can do is we can create specific template pages for different pages on the website. So a normal product page with Shopify looks something like this. We have, like the title, price, product, details, variants, description, and then we might have something like you also might like, and then we basically just jump right into the footer. So it's a very bland page. I mean, that's what they used to give. So it's, unless you're doing extra customizations or you're using like Zipify page apps or things like that, that's kind of what you get. However, with Shopify 2.0, you can basically turn this bland page into like a mini landing page. It's incredible. So you basically come up here and you would click product. Let's do a product page as an example. And I've already created the holiday collection, but let's just pretend I'm going to start from scratch. I would do holiday 2022 product page. So just to give you an example, I'll walk you through how to create a page that you could use for the holiday season. So I'm going to use a holiday product. So this is kind of what you can do. It's just really, really cool. I'm just going to get rid of this little thing over here. So this is like the product page template. So basically you don't update every single product. You update the product page template. So what that means is when you go back into a product page, you can change the different templates up here, which I'll walk you through after we create this page. And then you can use the different templates for different things. So you might have a holiday page, like all of your holiday products, you might want something different on those. And then for your regular products, you might want something different. And then if you're doing like pre-orders for something, you could create different things. So you can just get really, really, really custom. And that's how you can really increase your conversion. So now I'm basically going to now start customizing what this looks like. So you can even like change some things in here. I'm not going to change much in here, but you can go up here and you can just kind of come in here and change something. So I'm really not going to touch this for now because I want to focus more on the template. So basically you come over here and you can start customizing the crap out of this thing. So let's click add section. And these are all the things that you can add to this page now. So again, you're basically almost like creating a home page as your product page. So you can add so many things that are going to help you increase your conversion rate. So you definitely want to add something like a testimonial. So let's go through here and see if they have testimonials. Okay, so we're definitely adding testimonials. Then let's go back and we're going to add in, for this example, I'm going to add in a video. And I'm going to test to see what it looks like. Okay, cool. So for this, I'm wanting to add a video testimonials, and I'm going to move the video up. So I'm going to add the video underneath the product. And then I want to add something else, like some sort of maybe like key selling points or something like that. So let's just see what else we got. So product list, we're not going to add in slideshow, messages, testimonials, video with text. So you can see here, these are all things that you can add in. It's absolutely incredible. Let's actually get rid of collapsible tabs. I don't want that. Let's see what else we got. Okay. So we could do like custom content if we wanted to add like an image and text or something. So we'll come back to that. Let's add testimonials and let's add a video first. So first, let's go over here and let's drag up testimonials, and I'm going to add this under the video for now. So let's go over here and I'm going to click video, and obviously you edit your video over here. So I've added a video to this brand's page that I'm going to use. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to copy the link. So I'm going to go over here, and for this, generally you need like YouTube or Vimeo. Some video you can embed directly into the screen. But for this, they offer those two options. So, and then for this, like I'm going to click save. And then for video, you have to kind of play around with depending on what it looks like here. So we're going to cover image. So this one wants you to add a cover image. I don't know what it's going to look like if we don't have a cover image. Let's test it to see what it looks like first. So we're going to go over here and we're just going to put like, we're going to go to their actual website. Crap, it's already pulling up their holiday website. Okay. So I'm going to just pull this and I'm going to add that into the video. So we want to always be, actually, I'm going to just put a heading there. That's it. So I'm going to get rid of the subheading and I'm going to get rid of the text. Although this is really, really big. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to decrease the size. I don't want it to overpower the video, but I do want it to be very legible. Okay. We're dog lovers just like you. Let's look at what it looks like without a cover image, and then we'll go back and we'll add a cover image if we need to. So I'm going to click save. I'm going to click preview to see what it looks like for now. It might look like that, which we definitely don't want. Okay. And so it's making me pull up an actual product. So, and the thing is, I haven't updated this product page with this template. That's why it's not going to show yet. So I'm going to have to add stuff in first, and then we're going to have to go back in and we're going to have to test to see how it looks. Let's go and pull the testimonials. Whoops. Okay, it's not letting me pull them. Okay. Let me see. My babies love their Patrick Pet toys. But for time purposes, I'm going to pause this while I add this text here, and then I'm going to come back and restart the video. Okay, so I've added a quick testimonial. I've added the author's name. I'm going to pull up an image of the person who left the review, and then I'm going to click select. So we're going to just keep it simple. And then basically we're going to go in over here and we're going to move this one up. And then we're going to add another testimonial really quickly. So let's see what we got. All right, so in love, Barkley in love with the whole collection. I'm just going to put a quick one for now, but I just want to show you how to do this. So in love, Barkley and I are in love with PWP toys. Okay. Barkley and Lori. And I'm going to pull an image, and I'm just going to use that one right there because that is the right person. We're going to save that. So now we have added testimonials to this page. So now we're adding social proof and we're adding credibility instantly with a testimonial. We're going to go and make sure that this plays. And if it doesn't, we are going to have to add a video, an image. So for now, let me just pull up an image just to see what it looks like. Okay, that's very cute. So since this is holiday, since we're doing this for the holidays, I'm just going to save this for now and just assume that you don't need a cover image, but I think it's always good to have something. Otherwise it might look crappy. And then here you can play around with what it looks like here. So if you click like box, you can see what it looks like there. So I definitely don't like that. Tint. And then there's text shadow. And then no background. So you can see how it's really hard to read the text. So you want some sort of an overlay. So I'm going to do text, shadow, and tint because it adds an overlay to the image so it's easier to read. So I'm going to do that for now. And so now, like instantly, we have added now video to the page. We've added testimonials. And then let's see what else we might be able to add in here. So if we go back to their website, we can just see what else is kind of here for a selling point. So free shipping, gift cards. So I really like this thing here. So let's see if we can add one of these types of things in here. So let's go back here and click add section. So we can do, we could do like a logo list. That's not going to work. All right, forget that one. Oh yeah, because that stuff is already right there. Oops. Okay. So I think we might be okay. We wanted to see if there's maybe one more thing that we can add in. So when it comes to a website, the biggest thing that you want to do is build trust. So if we're trying to build trust here, we're just trying to do it in a very simplified way. We want testimonials. We want video that showcases how the product works or how just your product works in general. But then what I think would be really great to do here is this brand in particular has a lot of UGC, so user generated content. So I really want to highlight the fact that this brand has incredible images, lifestyle images of dogs with the product. And I think that's going to be the best way to showcase some additional trust building. So if we go over here, we can do likely probably gallery. So if we go over here, let's just start pulling some images. And for this brand, they have like a million awesome images. So I'm going to pull this cute little guy. I'm going to pull another image. Actually, we won't use that one because we've already used that for a testimonial. We'll pull that guy. We'll go add something to this image. And then we'll pull, oh, see that doesn't look good because it cuts the dog off. So let's maybe put that elsewhere. Yeah, we'll use that one. And then we'll come back. Oh, shoot. You have to click select. I always forget to do that. Okay, and then we'll come back over here and we're gonna add a different image. So again, like what you're doing here is you're just building trust. So when a customer is on your website, you're just trying to get them to want to buy your product. So all this stuff here, like all these beautiful lifestyle images, these build trust and they will evoke emotion because when someone comes here, you want to get them to like buy the product. And I'm going to actually like swap some of these out because I want to add a little bit like a balance of holiday product and then like just regular toys because not everybody wants to buy holiday stuff. So I kind of like to balance it a little bit. So we'll do that. And then maybe over here, we'll add another non-holiday. And so for you, what you want to do is just you want to pull lifestyle images, UGC, so user generated content. So basically images of people using your product. And in this case, it's pet because this is a pet company. But, you know, in the end, you want pictures of people using your product in real life. Let's use this one because this one is like super fun. Okay, I love it so much. Perfect. So I always like to save periodically just in case. But now we're going to go back in here and we're just going to go in and edit these graphics really quickly. So dog mom approved. So just kind of like selling points, honestly. And we're not going to link anything here. We're just doing this for gallery purposes because we're trying to get them to buy the product up here. And if you link stuff everywhere, it ends up confusing people. It's taking its time saving. Okay, that took a little bit of extra time to save. And then I'm going to go over here and delete that. So we're not going to add links here because we don't want people to click and link around. We want them to buy whatever product they had up here. We're just trying to build trust by using user-generated content and like really fun videos. So we have Dog Mom approved here. We're going to put, I don't know, cute and trendy toys. And then I'm actually going to come back here and save this. I'm going to change that to the heading. Okay. And then over here, plush, heavy chewer, and tug toys. And then over here, maybe like, the cutest holiday gifts. We're just putting stuff in. It's, don't go crazy, but you just want to, what you're doing here is you are creating credibility, because when someone comes here, they're going to see like, oh my gosh, this stuff is so fun and so cute. Like, I totally need this. So we're going to put this above the product recommendations. Okay. So we're dog lovers. So we have the product, we have video, we have testimonials now, and we have a gallery, and then we have you might also like. So this is good to go. I'm really happy with how this looks. You can come in here and maybe change some things, but to be honest, I'm just going to leave this for this video purposes. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to open up a product page, and then I'm going to save it to this template so I can show you what that looks like. So the template is called Holiday 2022 product page. Okay, so since this website theme is not live for my client, I can't actually show you a preview, but I can show you a preview in here. So if you just come back and click product, you just click on what we just created, which was Holiday 2022 product page. It's for some reason pulling up this product right here, avocado toy, which is fine, just to give you an example. So we're going to come here, and then we're going to look. We see the video, we see testimonials, we see the gallery, and then we see the you also might like. So let's go over here and let's click the video to see what it looks like. So cute. Okay, so that is how you literally are able to take a product page using Shopify 2.0's new page templates and basically create this like mini sales page. And this right here is going to convert a hell of a lot better than the other page, because you have more things that build trust. And that is the most important thing when you have a website, is you have to build trust for people. And then let me quickly show you how you can assign a product to a template page. So you'd basically go into your product, and then you go over here and click online store, and you click theme template. And so right now, again, I'm not using that holiday theme. And so that's not going to show up until that theme is live. So for my client, for the different seasons, I build different website templates for them. And so I won't make that holiday one live until next week. And so because it's not live right now, this won't show that specific template. But if I drop down, you would see that holiday 2022 template, and then you basically click that. And then now that product is going to be attached to that template. So it's super easy. But if you don't do that, then the product won't show up, what you just built out. So that is how you build out a beautiful converting product template page using Shopify 2.0. Shopify is amazing. I am definitely team Shopify. And I love 2.0.